Hi guys, my name is Abba and welcome back to my amazing kitchen. In today's video, we are making these delicious, lovely banana pancakes. So easy to make with probably ingredients that you already have in your house. So come along and let's get right into the recipe. In my bowl here, I have some all-purpose flour and to it I've just added some sugar. I'm adding some baking powder, salt, and some cinnamon powder, just a little bit. Next, I'm also going to grate in about half of a whole nutmeg. This will make your banana pancakes very fragrant and also very tasty. Now mix everything together until well combined and then set it aside. Now let's move on with our wet ingredients. In my cup here I have some skimmed milk and I'm going to add 2 eggs to it. All the ingredients with their measurements will be listed in the description box down below, so please do well to check it out. Now combine this very well also and set it aside for later. Next, I also have here 1 ripe banana. And you can tell the banana is very ripe by the dark spots on it. Add the banana to your blender and then pour over your wet mixture. Make sure to use a ripe banana as it will give you better flavor. Now blend everything together until the banana is completely dissolved. It took me about 30 to 40 seconds to dissolve my banana. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my dry ingredients to it. Once your dry ingredients are added, you want to go ahead and blend this on high for 30 seconds. Please make sure not to overmix it so your pancake doesn't become very tough. Now go ahead and add in your melted butter and blend this for an additional 15 seconds. So in just under 1 minute, our pancake batter is done. For a smoother pancake texture, you want to strain your mixture through a fine sieve just to catch any lumps. Cover your mixture and allow it to rest for about 10 minutes whilst you clean up. Next, you want to heat up a frying pan on medium heat and then brush your frying pan with some melted butter. I'm using melted butter for flavor, but you can also use oil or a combination of both. Scoop some of your pancake mixture into your frying pan and swirl it around just to coat it. Make sure not to use a lot of butter because we want our pancakes to be very light. Now allow this to cook for about 40 seconds to 1 minute, and once the surface is set, it is an indication that you can flip it. But just before you flip, go ahead and brush it one more time with some melted butter. Now flip it and allow the other side to cook for about 30 seconds more and your first pancake will be done. Well, they say the first pancake always never comes out right, but as you can see, that is not the case in the amazing kitchen. Now just look at this lovely pancake. Now repeat the entire process all over again until all your pancake mixture is used up. So as you can see, it's not difficult to fry a pancake, but it requires a little bit of practice and technique to get it right. So once my pancake is done, I transfer this onto a plate and then cover it with a clean kitchen towel to keep it warm. In my house, there is mostly zero patience to wait for everything to be done, so we eat as we fry. But If your family can wait, this is a great idea to keep it warm whilst you continue to fry the rest. For the perfect pancake texture, you also need to regulate your heat very well. Keep your heat on a medium because if you keep it too low, the texture of your pancake is going to be a bit rubbery. So have that in mind. So now here we are. All our pancakes are done. So all we have to do is to make it look a bit pretty and serve it. You can serve this with some honey, whipped cream, but I just like to keep mine plain with some fresh strawberries and also a dusting of some confectionery sugar. Kindly give me a thumbs up and also share this video for me. Please try these banana pancakes if you have some overripe banana lying somewhere around in your house and you won't be disappointed. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye!